back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an OD, welcome back, guys. So today we are trying out that new TikTok hack where they're using a spoon to achieve these banging, okay, you see it, cut crease winged look. It's really cute, very simple. I'm loving these hacks that are just cut makeup time in half, and I am down to try it. So in this video you will see me achieve this look by using a spoon to create this gorgeous eye look. So if you want to see how I achieved it, just continue to watch. I know I look a little crazy, so my makeup was like halfway done. I applied some of my foundation. Some of my face already is done. I just wanted to get it done because the main focus in this video is this spoon. So I saw on TikTok that there was this new trend going around about how you can do this cute eye look using a spoon, and we're gonna do it here, guys. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna be using the dark green from the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to position the spoon like this. I don't want to press too hard since I already done. And I got mirror there. Okay. Not bad. And then they say use the other end. Oh. Stop playing with your girl. Listen. Stop playing. I really like this, and I like this because it cuts cleanup time, because you already got the clean little line. I keep looking in my mirror, y'all, sorry. So this right here. Only thing I would do differently with this, like I'm gonna go in with a lighter color. Sorry, y'all. I know I need to do better with that, but only thing I'm gonna do is just go in with like a lighter color to like blend it out. So let me get another brush. Going in with my Morphe M321 brush, and I'm going to go in with the lighter shade green. And I'm gonna try to blend out the harsh line. Okay. I think I want to go back in with the spoon and kind of like take it down a little bit. Yeah, just a smidget. Yeah, just a little bit. This is so fire. Like, and I think some people do, they go in on the bottom one too. They go in on the bottom angle and clean up too. So let me do that. Okay. Looking at different mirrors got different angles, y'all. Okay. Let me do this on the other eye, and I'm gonna come back for the color that we're gonna use in the center of the lid. Okay, y'all, so I did this eye off camera. I like how it look. I think I would play with some colors differently because the gold is really soft, so you really can't see it too good. So I did smooth out the edges with the green from the James Charles Morphe palette. I also went in with the gold from the palette. Okay, let me get out the names. I know I'm just saying the green is like two different greens, but I went in with Daddy as the main color. And then for the soft transition color, I use Social Blade, and that's what I use to blend out the green to try to soften off the edges a little bit. And then on top of that, I first went in with Wig, but it was a little bit too dark. So then I tried to go on top of that with So Good from the James Charles Morphe palette, but it was a little bit still soft. So then I went in with my Juvia's Place highlighter, and I just used that on top of that, and it just made the color, you know, softer or pop. I don't want to do too much because I don't want to do too much, really, because I don't want to take away from the look. So that's what we're going to do here on this eye. Repeat on this side. So to apply the color, because it's a shimmer, I learned this trick on TikTok or YouTube. I currently can't remember, but I went in with my glitter glue, and I'm applying that to the lid or the area where I will be applying the shadow. And I'm going in with my Morphe M124 brush, and I'm using that as the brush applicator to apply the glue. The reason why I'm using this brush, because it's a flat application. It has the curved round edges, so it allows me to be more precise on where I'm applying the glitter glue, so I don't mess up and put the glue anywhere that I do not want it to be. So this type of brush is really good for angles, certain type of curves, or when you want to be precise, excuse me, on where you want to apply a certain product. Even though I did not like this wig, I'm going to put the wig on first because I want to repeat what I did so that way we can get the same outcome. Maybe it's just me, but it's always one eye that look better than the other. Okay, so now I'm going in with So Good. I don't know why it looks like dark right there, but okay, so that's that. And now finally we're gonna go in on top with the Juvia's Place Heroin highlighter. And see, now you can see it better. I just don't know why this corner is like that. Okay, so that is that. So let's do my lashes, bottom lash, waterline, and we're gonna come back with the final look. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.